We can't talk about nursing as a profession, we can't talk about the health systems, as you know, the building blocks of the health systems, without also acknowledging that NHI, universal health access, and every other thing would work if the nurse is on the ground. Whether you are talking about primary health care engineering, whether you're talking about vaccination programs and rollout, whether you're talking about now with the context of VMMC, every other intervention there requires the presence, the guidance, and the involvement of the nurse. And hence, the statement that says the nurses are the backbone of the health system, it's not just a statement. It's proven by numbers, statistics, and everything else. Having said that, of course, those that read Global Wealth Report will appreciate that WHO says, as things stands, we have a global shortage of 7.6 million nurses due to various reasons, including migration, fatigue, mental wellness, and other, including, of course, the impact of GBV. Those that remain are valued, and that's part of the affirmation. You are already working in a very loaded system with a 7.6 million global shortage. The nurses that remain see the population that they serve. It's not an understatement, and I hope the nurses that we can, at all material times, reward them with monetary value, they remember the calling that they've entered into. And if you say that we should, as a department, commit to assist, if we can't give you all other resources, make the conditions that you work under bearable, livable. That's the least we can do. Because as far as the training, acknowledgement, and every other thing, you are well trained. That's why you're globally competitive and well recognized. And I think for that, you should give yourself a round of applause.